far as the eye could see. It's the same when the Tigris and the Euphrates merge to form a single body of water, the Shatt al-Arab waterway. On each side of the Shatt al-Arab, an agricultural province prospers thanks to the bountiful water from the two great rivers. Only barges can reach the heart of this maze of tall reeds. The Sumerians built fishing villages here. The people still live as their ancestors did. They still build reed huts, just like the ones seen in ancient bas-reliefs. The huts stand on a foundation of layers of soil, interlaced with braided reeds. The floor, roof and walls are made of interwoven stalks. The supporting columns and beams, very strong, are made of tightly packed reed bundles. 5,000 years ago, 40,000 fishermen and farmers, an entire people, lived in the marshland around the port city of Ur. In their frail reed boats, they had made a huge area habitable, 1 meter at a time.